Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your key battery on your Toyota key. So all you need for this particular style of key is just a flathead screwdriver, preferably a jeweler's screwdriver or something small, because this is the notch we're going to access over here on this side. So hopefully you can see that. So with the screwdriver, it's very simple. On this key, all you have to do is the screwdriver in this little groove here, and you want to twist until it pops out like so, and then you can go around here just to make it easier for yourself. Twist, don't drop anything inside, flip it down so the buttons are down. Now we'll go ahead and lay it down flat. Then we want to pull out this little module over here. So as you can see, this is where the buttons are. Different models have different buttons access here. This one just has the lock and unlock. So now we want to go ahead and access the battery, which is a CR2016, which I've got a new one here. I've just opened it. So how you remove the battery is you just use that same screwdriver. That's why I said you need a flathead screwdriver. Go ahead in here, and all you want to do is just pop this. You want to get in with your screwdriver and just gently. So all you want to do is just gently push the screwdriver here and just twist it a little bit to lift up the clip, and then this just pops out. So pull it, and the battery just came out. This is the battery over here. It's a CR2016, and for reference, the positive always goes up and the negative goes down. So if the battery does pop out like how it did now, just refer to the back of the cover. It shows you that positive should be on the rear like so. So we'll go ahead and install the new battery over here. So one tip I can give you is, over time these contacts do tend to go down a little bit, so just gently pull these contacts up a little bit, just a little tiny bit. It helps with the negative contact on it. So just a tiny little bit. Now you want to go ahead and slot it with the positive facing up like so. Then go ahead and install your cover back in. So put it in one corner like so, and then all you want to do is just push it like so. You can test it like this. You can go to the vehicle and test it, but I know the battery was low on that one, so we'll go ahead and just reinstall the cover. So pop it in like that, easy, just like so, and then just put the cover back on, and all you have to do is just clip it. There's no screws or anything to worry about on this key, and it's all done. Thanks for watching, everyone. I've got plenty of other videos, interesting content on Toyotas and many other interesting items like campers, cars, and other keys as well. So just do check out my channel, or just check out the description below for more info and more interesting content. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you.